Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Pro X motherboard. Now I wanted an all-white motherboard for my next PC project, and this is what Gigabyte sent me, the Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Pro X. This motherboard comes in an all-white design and uses the Intel Z790 chipset, suitable for all the latest Intel 13th gen and next gen processors sitting on the LGA 1700 socket. It features a powerful 18+1+2 Twin Digital VRM design using a 8-layer 2x copper PCB. For expansion, it comes with one PCIe 5x16 slot, which is strengthened by zinc alloy, and two PCIe 4x16 slot. The motherboard comes with backdrilling technology, which provides data signal integrity and stability for the DDR5 RAM. The Easy Latch design and the M.2 Easy Latch Plus allows you to mount the M.2 SSDs with ease. There are also 4 DDR5 steel DIMM slots supporting memory speeds of up to DDR5 8266. For storage, it comes with one PCIe Gen 5x4 and 4 PCIe Gen 4x4 M.2 slots. It also comes with Wi-Fi 7 and a 5 Gigabit LAN and plenty of ports for your connectivity needs. We'll be testing this motherboard using Intel's next-gen processor along with 32 gigs of DDR5 7600 RAM and a Radeon RX 7900 XTX. So let's put this into our test rig, but before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Pro X motherboard. It supports the latest Intel 13th gen and the next gen Intel processors on the LGA 1700 socket. Alright, let's take a look inside the box. Okay, here's the motherboard. Let's take a look at the accessories. It comes with the Wi-Fi 7 high gain antennae. There's a ARGB cable, some SATA cables, a mini speaker cable, the Gigabyte 6 connector adapter, and 2 thermal probes. And just a quick installation guide, nothing else. Okay. Alright, here we have the Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Pro X motherboard, and as you can see, it comes in an all-white design PCB with black connectors. Alright, there's nice large heat sinks for the VRMs here and here, and also for the M.2 here and here. It also comes with a full I/O hood, which has the Aorus logo, which lights up with the RGB. Here we have the LGA 1700 socket supporting all the Intel 13th gen and latest next gen Intel processors. Let's take a look at the back. Here you can see this motherboard features the back drilling technology, and what it does is it allows you to have better data integrity for your DDR5 DIMM slots there. You can't see any solder points along the DIMM slots, which is great. And here we have the ultra durable PCIe armor, which I showed you earlier. Features the ultra durable armor made of the zinc alloy. We'll start at the top here. We have 2 8-pin PCIe power connectors for your motherboard, a couple of fan headers, and an ARGB connector there. Here we have the 24-pin ATX power, another fan header, and a USB 3.2, and also a Type-C connector, which allows you then to connect to Gigabyte's LCD add-on, which you can buy. There's another fan header and a Type-E USB connector there. Here we have 4 SATA ports for your SSDs. There's a reset switch here, and then at the bottom here we have the connectors there for your power on and reset switches, and you can connect the Gigabyte 6-pin adapter to go in there. We have a load of fan headers here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have the Q flash button here. We have 2 USB ports, a TPM, and 3 RGB headers here, 4-pin and 2 3-pins. And here we have the audio connector there. Let's take a look at the expansion slots. We have one PCI 5x16 slot, and this has the ultra durable armor, and this is made of a zinc alloy. You can see that right there. And then we have two of the PCI 4x16 slot, and here we have the PCI 5 Gen 5x4 SSD, and you can see it's a large heatsink, and it has the easy latch, which is quite good. Let me show you. You just push that little latch right here, and this whole thing comes off, which is really simple. And you just basically put that back in and then lock into place. And same go for this here. We have 4 PCIe Gen 4x4 SSD slots underneath here, and it comes with the easy latch as well. And I'll show you again. You just unlatch here, and this whole heatsink comes off, which is quite good there. You can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 M.2 slots for your SSDs. And it's very easy to mount this back. You just lock in place and push down, and then that's it. Very nice. Now let's take a look at the memory slots. Here we have 4 of the DDR5 DIMM slots, the steel reinforced DIMM slots, supporting memory speeds of up to DDR5 8266. Alright, let's take a look at the I/O. We'll start off on the left here. We have USB ports here, 2 antennae for the Wi-Fi 7. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 USB 3.2s. There's the display port in, DP in, interesting. HDMI out. We have 2 USB 3.2s and 2 USB-Cs. Here we have the 5 gig LAN and array of audio connectors, including SPDIF, mic in, and line out. Alright, this is a great looking motherboard. I'd love to see how it performs with the latest Intel next gen processor. So let's put this into our test rig and see how it performs. So this was a quick unboxing of the Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Pro X motherboard.
I don't often say this, but the Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Pro X is truly one of those motherboards that deserves every bit of our admiration and praise. It's got everything going for it in terms of features and performance. It supports the latest 14th gen processor from Intel and features a powerful 18+1+2 Twin Digital VRM design for stability and reliability. It also comes with back drilling technology with shielded and isolated routing for memory, giving it the ability to handle memory speeds of up to DDR5 8266. The all-white design of the motherboard makes it really stand out from the crowd and is perfect for anyone who wants to build an all-white PC system. Using Intel's latest 14th gen processor, the Core i7-14700K, we managed to get some excellent scores in all of our benchmarks, including a Cinebench score of 33,042 multi-core and 2,146 single-core. For PC Mark 10, we got a score of 10,440 and a score of 12,354 for Pass Mark 10. For UL's latest Procyon photo editing suite, we got a score of 9,710 and 8,989 for the video editing suite. For 3D Mark Speedway and Port Royal, we got excellent scores of 6,126 and 16,156 respectively. And finally, for TimeSpy and FireStrike, we got amazing scores of 28,215 and 51,769 respectively. The Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Pro X motherboard is so complete, I can't really find anything missing, to be honest. It's got everything I need and more. It will be difficult to find a motherboard that can beat the Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Pro X in terms of features and performance. In my opinion, it's one of the best Z790 motherboards that I've had the pleasure to play with so far. So make sure this is at the very top of your shopping list. You can check out the full review on our website at funkykit.com.
And there you have it. That was a quick look at the Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Pro X motherboard, a fantastic motherboard with plenty of features and performance to match, and it's perfect for any white theme PC builds. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.